If you're a Kentucky homeowner, 2022 is the best time to install solar panels. Just weeks ago, the federal government passed an extension to the solar investment credit, which pays homeowners an average of $9,880 to install solar panels. See how much you can be paid by seeing if your home is solar compatible below. The solar investment credit is the reason so many of your neighbors have gone solar, and now more homeowners are getting paid even more. Not all homes qualify, so click on the link below and submit your information for a free solar diagnostic. This diagnostic will verify if your home is eligible. Because the government and your utility company both offer different green energy incentives, it's almost impossible to understand which ones are applicable to you. Click the link below and take the 30-second solar diagnostic and find out exactly what's available at your home today.